how to create AI avatars using HeyReal AI. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to create avatars right here with HeyReal AI. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you get special discounts or special promos if you're going to use HeyReal AI. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So here we are in the HeyReal AI website. So to start off, let's just simply go to create right here. Afterwards, it will now ask us for a nickname for our AI right here. So as an example, I'll just name it as my AI character. There you go. Afterwards, just simply choose a gender right here for your character. I'll just set it to male. Then introduce your AI character with a brief description. So simply do that. My AI character will help you with your daily problems. Something like that. Afterwards, you can also upload an avatar if you want to, or you can do an AI generated avatar right here. So yeah, so AI generated character image right here. So select a model, either realistic or anime. For example, just make it anime. Then just enter the descriptive words right here. Make me a male character. There you go. Simply click on generate, and then there you go. Click on confirm once you're ready to use that, and there you go. Moving on is tags. So just simply select the tags right here for your character. Let's say I'll just do game, anime, and fictional. There you go. Greeting. So just simply type down the greeting of the character. I'll just say hi. I'm here to help you. Something like that. Personality. Describe the character as detailed as possible. An understanding character and willing to help you with your problems. Something like that. And then describe the current environment you and your character is in. Let's say we are close friends, something like that. And then there you go. Afterwards, once you're done, you can set the visibility of your character right here, whether it's public or private. So I'll just leave mine as private. Then once you're done, click on create. And then after creating your character, you're pretty much done. And then you can now start chatting with your character. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to make or use HeyReal AI. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create AI avatars. So yeah, so if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.